In this video, I will show you how to set a wallpaper on your iPhone's home screen that is different from the wallpaper on the lock screen. By default, iOS automatically applies the same image to both screens, but with a few simple steps, you can easily separate them and personalize each screen individually. Follow the steps and customize the look of your device exactly how you want it. So, the first thing you need to do is find and open Settings on your home screen. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and find the Wallpapers section. When you find it, tap on it. In the Wallpapers section, you will see the appearance of your lock screen and home screen. If you want to set a wallpaper only on the home screen that is different from the lock screen, tap on the home screen preview. Once you do that, at the bottom of the screen, you can choose whether the wallpaper will be a color, an effect, a photo from your gallery, or blurred. If you want to select a photo from your gallery, tap on the photo option. Then, choose the photo you want to set as your home screen wallpaper. After selecting it, you can further adjust its appearance. Zoom in or out to perfectly fit the home screen display. Also, at the bottom of the screen, you can apply additional visual effects if you wish. When you finish customizing, tap the Done button in the upper right corner of the screen. Immediately after, if your photo appears blurred, tap the blur option in the bottom right corner to remove the blur effect and show the image clearly with all the details visible in the background. Then tap the Done button again in the upper right corner to save the changes. After that, go to the home screen and you will see that the new wallpaper is set, clearly visible behind the app icons without any blur or extra effects. You will also notice that the photo on the lock screen is different from the photo on the home screen. And that's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.